Gusto mo bang matuto at madagdagan pa ang kalamanan sa electrical at sa solar? Kung oo, panoorin mo ang mga video ko at sana ay marami ka pang matutunan. Magandang araw, ako si Hiner Bergais, isang registered master electrician, ang inyong electrician at your service. On this video, we will discuss about Ohm's law, understanding the basics of electrical circuits. Before we start, let us know who formulated the Ohm's law. It is Sir Georg Simon Ohm, 1789 to 1854. He was a German physicist and mathematician renowned for Ohm's law, a principle describing the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in electrical circuits. His groundbreaking work, published in 1827, faced initial skepticism but eventually became a fundamental to electrical theory. The unit of electrical resistance, the ohm, is named in his honor. Ohm's contribution continued to play a crucial role in understanding and calculating the behavior of electrical circuits. What is Ohm's law? Its fundamental principle in electrical engineering that helps us understand the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in a circuit. Ohm's law is expressed by the equation V is equals to I times R, where V stands for the voltage, I for current, and R for the resistance. Voltage is the electrical pressure pushing the current through a circuit, while current is the flow of electric charge, and resistance is the opposition to that flow. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. Voltage is the water pressure, current is the flow rate, and resistance is the size of the pipe. Our unit of measurement are as follows: V for voltage, A, ampere for current, omega sign, ohm for resistance. Ohm's law formula. The relationship between voltage, current, and resistance is described by Ohm's law. This equation I is equals to V divided by R tell us that the current I flowing through a circuit is directly proportional to the voltage V and inversely proportional to the resistance R. So our formulas will be I is equals to V divided by R, V is equals to I times R, and R is equals to V divided by I. Now, let's see Ohm's law in action with a simple example. Imagine a circuit with a 12-volt battery and a resistor with a resistance of 4 ohms. Using Ohm's law, we can find the current flowing through the circuit. So, for this question, we are looking for the I, or the current. Our formula will be I is equivalent to V divided by R. So, the solution will be I is equivalent to 12 volts divided by 4 ohms. The answer is I is equivalent to 3 amperes. Another example, a circuit with a 220 volt power supply and a load drawing a current of 3 amperes. Using Ohm's law, we can find the resistance in the circuit. So we are looking for the R. Our formula will be R is equivalent to V divided by I. So R is equivalent to 220 volts divided by 3 amperes. Our answer will be R is equivalent to 73.33 ohms. Another example, a circuit with a 10 ohms resistance and having a current of 2 amperes. What should be the voltage in the circuit? So we are looking for the voltage. Our formula will be V is equals to R times I. Our solution will be V is equivalent to 2 amperes times 10 ohms. Our answer will be V is equivalent to 20 volt. Understanding Ohm's law is crucial for designing and troubleshooting electrical circuits. Whether you are an electrician, electronic technician, or an aspiring engineer, understanding Ohm's law is a necessity to learn. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder about safety. Always be cautious when working with electricity. Turn off the power, use proper tools, and double check your connections. Safety is a must. Safety first. Marami ka bang natutunan sa video na to? Kung may katanungan, mag-comment lang sa baba at ito ay aking sasagutin. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-like, subscribe, at pindutin ang notification bell para sa mas marami pang video na katulad na to. Sa muli, ako si Hiner Bragais, ang inyong electrician at your service.